Off on a walk today to Castlehaven, which is in Niton. This road leads down to the bay at Castlehaven and Village Green. Beautiful little place, very few people go there. So don't all rush there at once, please. And also from there, just up the road, you can get to the Lighthouse via a little path. When the path opens up, you can just pick your way through the muddy fields and get to the Lighthouse. When we finish at the Lighthouse, you can't actually get right down to the Lighthouse, so you can get very close to it. We come back through the fields, up the road again, and just on the left-hand side, there's some steps that lead you up into the village, up into by the Bottle Inn. So, perfect chance to stop and have a beer. The first view of St Catherine's Lighthouse just coming in now, built in 1323. Unfortunately, is now closed to the general public. Crazy decision by somebody or another. And now we're at the bottom of that track, down in Castlehaven Bay, Castlehaven Village Green, you'll see in a minute. Absolutely stunning little place to be. Benches, changing rooms for people who want to have a little dip in the ocean. You can launch a boat from here, and there's a beautiful cafe. The walk to the lighthouse used to start from here, or one of the walks did anyway, but unfortunately that path, like many on the island, is now closed due to the horrendous winter we've just had. Hopefully one day it will reopen, but as far as I'm aware there are no plans, because there is another path which is up the road from Castlehaven itself, which we'll be going along in a minute. And walking just up the path from Castlehaven Village Green, on the left hand side as we're walking up, is a glorious little cafe, plenty of outside seating, serves drinks and sandwiches and many other little snacks and things, and there's a small caravan site there, which was what you had to walk through to get to the original path to the lighthouse. Unfortunately that's, as I say, closed now, so no chance of that one. But it's well worth a little visit. If you're thirsty on the way down now, get yourself a nice drink, go for it. Okay, so now what we've done is come up the road now and taken the path on the left that leads to the meadows where you can get to the lighthouse. You have to pick your way through the paths because some of them are still muddy, even though it's July. But eventually you get to the path towards the lighthouse. It's well worth the effort. And now we've got a short drone flight that goes across the meadows, up and around the lighthouse and back again. So from here we go back along the path, and then a few hundred yards up the road is the steps. So on the left hand side, just by the bench, so you can't really miss them. This leads you up to the Buddle Inn, and from the Buddle Inn we go on to the Old Blackgang road to do a little bit more drone footage of the lighthouse and the immediate surrounding area, which includes the path down to Blackgang Beach.